kind of love when it snows in here. Look, it's not totally dead. Some of it is alive. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Winter garden tour. So this is the basil that the kids planted. I was going to do like varieties and stuff, but then they lost their minds and just wanted to help. So there's a bunch of random seeds in a bunch of places. This is my desk hydro system that used to be at work, and I brought it home for Christmas and replanted it. It had mint, and now we started basil from seed. So we'll see. Some of these are good. Some of these have not germinated at all, so I might pull those out and put covers in their place. I keep forgetting to water, so these microgreens are very dead. This basil is doing fine. That's for tea. It's blue spice and cinnamon. And then this basil's over a year old and not doing well because I've been terrible. And that is what the garden looks like. Just icicle covered spider webs. And a big old whiteout chaos. Oh. Just dead basil. It's fine. Oh, hello bird. There's a hydro in there, but I'm not gonna go inside. I'm not gonna go inside because I gotta give water to the chickens so that they don't die. The hilariousness of just snow and more snow and ice and brassicas covered in snow. Good morning, chicks. Okay, let's get you some water and some food. It's just an ice house rather than a greenhouse. So this is completely frozen. We will see if this recovers. You can see how lots of it got. So yeah, it got to minus 14 Celsius in here on Christmas Eve when we got home, and that was too much. So yeah, there's other things that are still alive, but that is very sad. But it might be awesome. Who knows? We'll see. And maybe someday we'll actually eat colettes off of that. And from here, we'll see. It's fine. We've got plenty of food. And even though everything is covered in snow, all the brassicas are still alive. Whee! So much for the mild winter that I thought we were going to have. It's actually not that cold or bad. Just lots of snow. But yeah, we will see. Hopefully, we will have lots of food. And the house looks spooky. So, this is not where the witch lives. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.